Hello everyone, welcome back to Life Talks by AJ. We all know that affirmations are positive statements which, when repeated over and over again, will help us to manifest our goals. While we relate affirmations to positive statements only, it is important to understand that anything that you say repeatedly is an affirmation and it has the potential to manifest. Law of attraction is the law of the universe. By law, anything that you affirm should manifest. Then why is it that the affirmations are working for some and not working for others? Let's do some introspection. Sit back and think what you have been saying to yourselves and others over and over again. Whatever you have manifested in the present moment is the result of the mental and verbal statements that you have been affirming all the while to yourselves and others. You cannot blame God, universe, or the law of attraction for not working. They have definitely worked, and the life that you are currently living is the result of the law working for you. If you repeat statements of wealth and abundance, then abundance manifests in life. If you repeat statements of lack and scarcity, then lack manifests in life. Now you may think, but I do say positive statements as well. Then why don't they manifest? How many times in a day do you affirm positively to yourself? Are your thoughts, words, and feelings in line with your goals for the most part of your day? Now check how you are feeling about your dreams and desires. Do you feel worthy of your dreams? Do you worry how they will happen? Do you feel desperate when they don't happen? Then no matter what, your affirmations will not work for you. If you asked for something and did not contemplate how that will happen, if you did not control the manifestation process through your limiting thoughts and beliefs, then affirmations will definitely manifest in your life. For you to manifest anything, whether good or bad from your perspective, you need to vibrate at the frequency of that good or bad thing. It is the game of energy, frequency, and vibration. So, to answer the question how to make the affirmations work for you, you need to first pay attention to your feelings and vibrations when you are affirming your goals. Remember, everything that you think, speak, and feel will manifest. If you want positive things to happen in life, you will have to first develop a feeling of self-worth and repeat your affirmations with faith. You will have to stop doubting the process and think and feel positively about your goals. Be mindful of your thoughts, words, and feelings, and you will see for yourselves that the law always works.